G'day guys, welcome to Mob's Garage. This is the famous EB.
Cool. And this one holds up. This one's fun.
This old girl. So
this will be the burnout car.
for some of that's only like 100,000 k's on it or something.
Yeah,
Quite cool. As you can see on the other side, fucking.
This is the damage side. Yeah. Old mate's taking a bit off.
Yeah, so as you can see in the last video, we fucking ripped off all this shit, and by the end of the day, it's all gonna be back in the car.
Yeah.
Is this one a Yeti?
Alright, so when this car did crash, I did scuttle drag it with my Hilux. And we'll show you where.
There you see, right there.
We'll show you the video when we post it.
Yeah.
There you go, mate. Oh, there you go, mate. G'day, mate.
What's in the microwave?
Oh, fucking! I take this to work. Keep me food warm. We've got a fire in there at the moment. I've got into it.
Go on, take a bite.
Yeah. So we bought that white EB for $500. Strip shit out of it. Then we got the stockies off it too. Wreckers come picked up the next day for 300, so 150 each.
$200 for a bunch of fucking parts. Can't complain. As you see from the crash, all of that in there has been kicked in from the wheel going back. So right now in the car, as you see, the pedal, so all that's kicked in, all dookie. So we're gonna take accelerator off, brake off, get a big sledgehammer and just punch the shit out of that. Bracket. Delito. So you can see, Big Jake was fucking around for all this. This should just slide out. Yep. Steering shaft is out to give us more room under there. Weighing up, never under, only a little bit over. Alright, so new day. Last time, big hangover. It was raining and shit. It was just crud. We all have work next day, whatever. Anyway, nice and sunny day. Back to attack this thing, back to where we left off.
Need a bit of a panel beating job over here.
Yeah, so see that? The fender's supposed to come out that far, so that's how much that side's kicked in. So we bought a slide hammer over there, so we're gonna attack that. And the subframe on that corner's pushed in about what, 20 mil?
Yeah, it looks about 20 mil. It's shunted in about 20 mil, so we're not going to address that for now. If we go to power play or something, definitely, because that's fucked. It's going to drive like shit. But for some of that's cruising around the pits and just doing skids down Skid Row, it doesn't matter. We'll just send it. Cast will be off a little bit, but it's alright.
So you have a look there, all that's flat. Then if you see right there, it's like crinkled. And you can see this bolt, it's supposed to be like straight up and down, but cockeyed that way. The other one's just on the button.
Yeah.
Never.
Alright, we're gonna go see Mob, the creator, the founder, get a few tools and stuff, see what he's up to. So doing what doing. So we're here at Mob's. Mob! Mob, what doing?
What is doing?
Welding.
Count it out. It's doing a bit of welding, bro. Got the fucking welder here. What's going on?
Oh, come to trying to get some of your advice on
Advice?
some tools.
Fuck. Hang on, just let me unplug the welder. What's going on?
Not too much.
Fuck. You come to Mob's garage, you
Yeah.
finally made it.
Yeah, the garage. This is where we'll be building the EB.
The EB, yep. Don't know where.
Yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere.
We'll make room.
What advice does he need?
Oh no, just blowtorch, chain,
Chain.
and what else do you want? Oh yeah, yeah, angle grinder.
Angle grinder. Which one? I can lend you this one.
Nah.
You can take the battery, plug it in. Fucking zoom, zoom, zoom. That's how I do it. This does everything, multi-tool.
Oh, this one looks alright.
Hey, keep your hands off that, that's mine. This is the new Street Outlaws project here.
Got it. What is it?
RX4, twin turbo, LS.
Awesome.
The new build. It was going to be a dirty barra.
That's our replacement green top when we blow the intake.
Yeah, we've changed it to a LS twin turbo. About 1400 horse. Like a fan belt.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
Fuck off!
I'll bring it back. Oh yeah, got what we need. Mob was still active.
This is what you call a slide hammer. Slide hammer.
And the hooker. I'll do it if you want.
No, so what happened? We finally got this thing in, but you guys were at Mobs and we did a little cheeky ratchet strap trick. So since everything was pushed back 20 mil, what we did, got a ratchet strap from the lower control arm up to here, reefed the shit out of it to move it across, bashed the shit out of it with a hammer and got the bolt through.
We'll just have to go back then.
I've got it.
You got that on?
Not bad.
What are we doing, Arnold?
Well, about to weld this chain link on so I can hook the slide hammer up to it, hopefully pull this out a bit more.
Where are we off to?
So we're off to our local wreckers. We got fucking Commodores, Falcons, Hyundais, Subarus, fucking bit of everything. A couple of motorbike tracks and rally courses and you're a bit of a grub. It's also a dump site, but no one likes a grub.
This is the entry.
Yeah, the entry to the local wreckers.
These cunts need to fix the road.
So you can see, this is our local wreckers. This is the AU we got for parts. Good old Intech. So, what we need is we need that right there. Then, we get one of those winch, lift it over, get some parts out of it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all the way through.
Ha!
I'm gonna repeat it fucking last time.
Alright.
Sweet.
Wreckers coming in clutch, let's get home.
Right, we didn't properly explain it before, but the rack end on this is fucked from the crash. So we tried bending it back into place, but it wasn't happening. So we're just gonna slap the end of this off. The other one we liberated right here. We're just gonna cut this and re-weld it back onto there. Don't do this, it's a fucking horrible idea, and we're not even doing it properly. Normally, cast stuff, you should heat the fuck out of it and weld it, let it cool down slowly, but we're not doing that. We just need the car to move.
What are we doing here, on dog?
Finished up
dodgily welding this tie rod rack end back up, and I'm just putting the tie rod end back in the knuckle. Beautiful. Everything here is dodgy as fuck.
Still coming together.
This is loose. That bolt's not all the way down. That hasn't got a cotter pin in it. It's fine. We're just going to drive it up and down the street today.
Mate, she's Mickey Mouse.
So, wheels on, the throttle. We can get the throttle cable to work, but we got something cheeky we're going to do for the test drive. Headlights, don't need to worry about it. Bumper, don't need to worry about that for test drive. All the lower suspensions in, very nice. What have you been up to, Jake?
Putting this steering column in. Got that last bolt on.
Oh yeah, very good.
And then
That'll be alright.
Yeah, that's good enough. Look at that. Good as new. Alright. Getting keen for the test drive?
Yeah, bro. And also, here's your public service announcement. When you're pissed off with your car and you're taking your wheel off, don't throw your wheel nuts in the fucking dirt, because it seizes the threads and strips everything. Don't do it.
what's this, Jake?
Mate, premium 98 for the good old EB.
Baby's gonna love it.
Nice guzzler. She loves it.
Guzzle, 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 guzzle.
Uggle.
Aga, aga.
Fucking mint. She's running.
It's not even hitting.
She's alive.
Speed dusty.
Yeah.
Oh, watch the fucking Falcon.
Big iron on the throttle. First test drive.
I smell coolant.
She's running. She's up.
Oh, you got the W quarter as well. Might be one off on the clicks. That's how straight's the steering rack.
We're gonna run him, boys.
Hey.
You gotta run.
Oh, did you get second?
Yeah.
That's a healthy gearbox.
I'm gonna jump in.
For everyone's
Front of his leg.
How you feeling, Ranger?
Pretty good. She's driving. Drives pretty Mickey.
That's a good sign. We got the throttle control right there.
Yep. Good old bugger. Doesn't get any better.
Ah.
Looks so dodgy from the outside.
Well, we've taken it for a maiden voyage. We've just cheeky rested the bonnet and guard and bumper up. It's not actually bolted in, but that looks good on there, the driveway. But yeah, next video we'll be mounting everything up properly, pulling that quarter out a bit more, and hopefully a few more mechanical repairs. Obviously the stuff we did on that corner today wasn't the best, so half the bolts aren't even tight, so we'll fix all that up.
We'll get OG Mob to weld up some stuff for us.
Get looking sneaky, mate.
Get the battery. Yeah, I think we'll call that one a day.
A great success!